Pigs are intelligent animals. They can navigate mazes, recognize themselves in mirrors, and identify companions who know where food is located. They enjoy lying around casually, and if given the chance, they would even smoke and watch television. A sow typically gives birth to about 13 piglets per litter. The premature piglets can stand up within 2 to 3 minutes and start nursing within 15 minutes. However, 1 or 2 of the later born piglets may die in 2 or 3 days after birth due to trampling and starvation. Once upon a time, there was an old mother pig who had 3 little pigs and not enough food to feed them. So when they were old enough, she sent them out into the world to seek their fortunes. The first little pig was very lazy. He didn't want to work at all, and he built his house out of straw. The second little pig worked a little bit harder, but he was somewhat lazy too, and he built his house out of sticks. Then they sang and danced and played together the rest of the day. Our time on the farm did not allow us to document the entire process of piglets growing up. We learned that 4 weeks after birth, the piglets are weaned, pulled from the sows, vaccinated, and placed in other pens. They gain 90 kilograms of body weight in 18 weeks and become consumable pigs, hiding to the slaughterhouse. Later, pigs are turned into Spanish morcilla black pudding, critical in our knowledge, intelligent as pig. They would not know what's on their tombstone. On the day of weaning, the sow is lured and locked away from its children. Weaning piglets is a natural part of raising pigs. To rebreed the sow, the piglets need to be pulled from her. Piglets also need to learn how to eat regular food, so that they can eventually be raised to market rate. After about 5 weeks, sow's milk production began to decline. Piglets will stop getting the nutrients they need to grow if they stay with the sow. Once piglets are older, their digestive system will be able to handle complex carbohydrates from the feed. Yet, piglets still don't have a fully developed immune system. Mixing them with new piglets can increase disease transfer. Vaccination is crucial.
7.
Weaning is a delicate and fraught process for the piglet, characterized by a series of significant and abrupt transitions. These include the loss of maternal protection and abrupt separation from its mother. The piglet also faces the challenge of a changed rearing site, which is achieved through transportation, sometimes over considerable distance. Additionally, there are frequent alternations to the piglet's social structure, as it is often interrogated into larger groups than its original litter. They can lead to conflicts and power struggles, as the piglets wire to establish a new social hierarchy within their expanded group. The piglet must also adapt to new feeding systems, which include novel hoppers and drinkers with mechanisms that require learning and manipulation. In this frame, we have the owner of the farm, Tom, James, and Jack, taking an afternoon rest in their truck. I first met them on a raining day, when the farmland is covered in mud. They were very kind to let me stay and film.
Same place you work, so it's like. And actually, flip-flops falling off all the time takes away from how knackered you are.
Thanks to strong genetics, a healthy diet, and ample space for exercise, the pigs on this farm do not have excessive fat. The castration also prevents the balls from developing a strong taste. On Monday, a two-tiered transport truck pulls up at the farm. marking the final journey for over 100 pigs. The last patch of ground these pigs step upon is a slender path leading directly to the truck, which seamlessly merges with the vehicle's loading area.
Good. Good. Hey, 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 hey. Go on then. Go on. Up, 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 up. Hey, 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 hey. Go on then.
Go on.
Hey, 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 hey. Go on then. Up, 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 up. Go on, go on, go on. Hey, 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 hey. Go on then. Get on.
Get on.
Go on then.
Hey, hey.
Go on then. That's it.
Go on.
Hey.
Go on.
Up. Get on then. Hey, hey. Up. That's it. Hey, 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 hey. Go on then. Go on then.
Just get him, mate.
Hey. Go on then. Good. Go on then, that's it. Hey, hey.
Go
Up.
on.
Go on then. Up. Hey, 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 hey. Go on then. That's it. Go on then. Go on then. Go on then. Hey. Go on. Go on.
Go on. Hey, hey. Go on, pig. Go on, pig.
Stay there, mate. Good girl. Good girl, mate. Good girl, mate. Right, you got this? I'll go and get it. Right, you're going to have to come back with me now. Go on then. Go on.
Go on. Go on, mate.
Go on then. That's it. Stay there, mate. Good girl. Good girl, mate. Good girl, mate. Right, you got this? I'll go and get it. Right, you're going to have to come back with me now. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hop. Hop. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Up. Up. Go on then. Go on then. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hop. Go on then. Give me. Up. Hey, 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 hey. Up. Up. Go on, son. Go on then. Hey, hey. Up. Hey, hey. Go on then. Go on then. Up, up, up. Up, 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 up. Go on then. Hey, 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 hey. Up. Good. Up. Hey, 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 hey. Up, 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 up. Go on then, go on then. Hey, 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 hey. Good. Go on then. Up. Go on then. Good. That's it, that's it. Hey, 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 hey. Good. Up, 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 up. Shh. Hey, 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 hey. Go on then. Shh. Go on then. Shh. Go on, go on, go on. Up. Shh. Up. Shh. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Go on then. Shh. Go on then. Shh. Good. Shh. Go on then. Shh. Up, 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 up. Shh. Go on then. Shh. Go on then. Shh. Go on then. Shh. Go on, go on, go on. Good. Shh. Up. Shh. Go on then.
One too many. One too many. Go on, big. Hey, hey. Go on, big. Hey, hey. Go on, big. Hey, hey. Go.
Most pigs in the UK, around 86%, are now slaughtered inside gas chambers using carbon dioxide. This involves lowering pigs into a gas chamber where they eventually suffocate. It can take 60 seconds for them to lose consciousness. I didn't have the access to a local slaughterhouse to actually hear and see what would happen. All I could do was to put microphones in their pens and hear them breathe.